Welcome to Praxie Best Practices. I'm Soren Kaplan, co-founder of Praxie.com. Standard operating procedures are so fundamental to any organization's effectiveness because they define what processes are and should be for your organization. So you usually have multiple standard operating procedures or SOPs, and what they do is they outline what the specific process is, what the goals of it are, what the inputs and the outputs of it are, and generally who's responsible for it. It can include a number of other dimensions, but the idea is that you want to define the process so that everyone understands what it is, what goes into it, what it leads to, and how do you measure its effectiveness. The responsibilities and the roles and responsibilities are also important so that it's just clear who owns it and is responsible for it. You can use other tools like RACI charts also to complement your standard operating procedures. If you create one, that's great, but usually you need multiple standard operating procedures that get documented in the organization to really address the complexity of the processes that happen within an organization. So when you have your standard operating procedures in place, they become the guideposts for knowing what to do, when and how, and measuring that to make sure you're doing the right things to be successful. For more best practice templates and applications, visit Praxie.com.